I just wanted to inform you that me and my friend Itsblizzard are hosting a voice-acted Gacha club series. And yes, we need voice actors, so check the link in the description for the Discord server and her channel. Let me just quickly go over some rules and things like that. 1. Microphone or device equality. So as we know, a lot of people are strict on this, but I don't know why. Your MIC can be scruffy, but not too much. 2. Age requirement. Audition, you must be 10 plus 10 and over. I would have said 11 plus, but 10 plus at the least. If you are 9 and you are returning 10, I cannot accept that, sorry. 3. If you get a role and others don't, please do not flex. Try to change your server name to your role. Example, Rider VC, add emojis if wanted. 4. In this server you can curse, but not a lot. 5. We accept all races, religions and backstories, as me and Itsblizzard are different races. Remember to stay safe and audition with pride. Bye bye.